I'm today introducing Mr. Shivam. He's our potential client who have taken admission and visa process through Unique Migration. Hi Shivam, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Can you please tell me why you have chosen Australia over other countries like USA or Canada?
Firstly, I chose many countries like Canada and US, but my my education background wasn't good enough to get the visa for the US. But even though US is a country, it's just a gamble, But there are so many friends who tried for US, even though they had a good education background and also the good English speaking score as well. But they didn't get visa just because it's just a gamble, You just go through and just go through, pass through the interview, and that's all. And you might get and you might not get. But if in Australia, it's quite different. If you are a genuine student, you will
Okay.
definitely get the visa. And also there are some reputed university in Australia as well. So they give the quality education and the practical education as well. So it's more useful for you to get a good job in their respective field. So that's why I chose Australia, not the US and Canada.
Okay, thank you. And have you used any education consultant before choosing Australia?
Yeah, I did because if you don't have if you haven't consulted to any agent, it would be very tough for you because you don't know what would happen in the Australia or Canada or US, whatever the country is, because you must have some knowledge of it. Otherwise, you will be definitely in trouble because you don't know how much hours you have to work, because you definitely have to work because it's a bit expensive to come here and work here and all the things, and you need to cope up with the all work, study, and also your food and all sort of thing. And there will be also some mental sickness as well. So you need to cope up with the things. So you definitely have to go through some agent who can assist you in different ways. So
in
yeah,
your
that's what I like.
choosing Australia, so you think the education consultant has played a very vital role?
Yeah, yeah, they have definitely played a vital role for me, and that's why I'm about to finish my study without any trouble and all. So yeah, it is. Yeah, you must need to go to some agent who can assist you in many ways.
Okay.
Yeah.
So actually he is into the final semester of his studies. So I would like to ask you about the experiences of how you felt from the beginning to so far, the journey. How was the studies experience at the university and other facilities in Australian universities and all?
Yeah, so when I came here, the facilities are definitely good in Australia. In any university, you go in any university, they will give you quality education and quality facilities in here, amenities as well. But the thing is that it was quite tough for me initially. But I had some consultant whom I used to keep talk with them and all sort of thing. So it was a bit tough initially, but gradually it was a bit easier for me, and it's fun as well because Australia is a country. There are so many Indians and all here. So it's very easy, and it's multicultural country. So I would reckon that Australia is the best country to study, to do any course. Yeah, that's what I reckon.
Thank you. And what are the tips you want to give to the Indian students who wants to choose to come to Australia?
Tips. So many tips, but whatever your difficulty or something, you can ask your consultant and also your friends who are already there and studying here, and you can also ask me if you want. I can give you whatever tips they want, and yeah, that's all I would give them.
Okay, thanks. And what is your opinion about Unique Education and Migration Services?
See, they are one of the best in Sydney. If you are looking for any visa or any student visa on any visa, you should go for them because they are one of my 2 or 3 friends who are in difficulties finding their visa because it was very tough for them, and it was next to impossible to get visa for them. But even though they made it a bit easier for them, so yeah, that's so Unique Migration is one of the best in the Sydney. That's what I reckon.
Okay, so do you know we have an offshore and onshore branches of Unique Migration?
Yeah,
Have
yeah.
you consulted the offshore when you were coming to Australia?
No, yeah, I do, but I don't know about Unique Migration in the India. But I definitely know here because there are so many of my friends who come here and got the visa very easily. So it was very easy for them. It was just like fun.
Okay, thank you so much for this info.
Thank you.
Permission to put this on Facebook and
Yeah,
use it
yeah.
for social media,
Yeah,
Shivam?
yeah, yeah.
Thank you very much.